Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a Shein haul to share with you. This is actually pretty heavy, so let's go ahead and see what I bought. Alright, the first thing I would love to share is this butterfly box. I know in Shein they use it to put little plants inside of it, but I want to use it for swaps and gifting. It's actually a real nice size. Wait till you see that. So it does have all the score lines in there. So all you're going to do is fold it on the score lines. And it does have some adhesive tabs. And you just fold all the score lines. Alright, and it does come with adhesive tabs. All you're going to do is go ahead and adhesive to your butterfly. And look at that. It creates like a little, actually almost like a little basket. But I saw that and I had to have it. And they had other styles of this, but that's the one. This is the one I picked, so I got those. In the same type of packaging, I got the cherry with the bows. Look at that. And it's the same thing. And it does come with some adhesive on there. But I thought that would be the cutest thing ever. You know how Scrap Diva and Case Craft comes out with their basket die? Well, if you're somebody that don't have like a jelly tote die, or why not? These are easy substitutions to do for that, especially if you're doing swaps or even gifting. So those two will come in handy. And then I also hauled this one, and this is like a princess chair. Oh my goodness, I saw this and I was like, oh yes, please let me put it in my cart. Look at that. How cute is that? So I got these ones here. So I got those. And you don't have to use this for crafting. These will be great. These are actually, I think they had them for plants. That you could put plants, but you could use this for parties. You could use this for crafting. You could use it for whatever your heart desires. So I got those ones. Okay, another thing I hauled is this Care Bear stickers. I do love how it comes in its own packaging. But all this is the Care Bear stickers. And you do get, it doesn't say, but let's go ahead and look at a few of these. And everything that I have in the Shein, if it's available, I will link it below. Let's look at some of these. Oh wow, that's actually pretty huge. And these are good quality. Look at that. How cute is that? I love Care Bears. Care Bears. You got the one with the 3 of them. Real nice. Love those. So I got those. Next thing I have here, these are actually hair clips, but I love using this for embellishments on my craft projects. And these are butterfly clips. Look at how gorgeous those are. And it got the glitter, and it is on gold. Love it. So what I like to do with these is just clip it to like a tag or for packaging or anything like that. So I got those, and you do get two. You get 2 sets, and the site actually had a few different ones there too. So I got those ones. And then this is a rebuy. I did haul these before and they're super cute. I hauled some in Temu, but they were smaller and I wanted the bigger ones. So I went ahead and got those again. Look at that. How pretty is those? Love those. So what I've noticed, Shein so far has the bigger, and look at all the little flower jimmies you get. So cute. Okay, another thing I hauled are these jemmies, and I love putting jemmies in sequence mix and making my own. So this ones are the yellow, and you get a good amount of that one. I actually got 2 bags. That's how much I like those. So I got 2 bags of those. And then the next thing I hauled are these cute bows, and they are in pink and red. Now look how these look. Now they do come in pink and red, and this is out of felt. I got these to add to packaging. Oh, this is the back side. And this is, yeah. Look at that. Those are really, really pretty. Let me check the size of that. From corner to corner. Oh, wait, wrong side. They're a little over 3.5 wide. And about 3.25 long. So yeah, they're actually a really good size for these. So I got those, and like I said, they do come in red and pink. And then I also hauled another thing of jemmies, and these are in the blue. Love, love, love. And then you get a good amount in here. I got the blue one. Now I did get some sentiment stickers. I like this. I could add in journaling or add on my embellishments. So you get different ones. You get the tan one with the blue, a little bit of blue. You get like violet, blue, and light purples. You might get 2 of each. It looks like you get 2 of each. And then there's like a green one and mint with blue. And you do get your brown with cream and some light pink. So yeah, so I got those for sentiments and for cards. So that's actually a good set right there. And then I hauled another Care Bear stickers. I didn't know I'd ordered 2. So I got another set of those. And then I got another set of flower. They're like spacers, but they actually have the pearl on it, so you can't put the bead in it. You can't put anything through the hole. But look at those. So I also use these on embellishments. So pretty. I got those, and these are actually bigger than the ones that I have there. These are actually about a little over a 1/2 inch. That's actually pretty nice. Real nice. Yeah, so it's almost 1 inch wide. And then the next thing I hauled are these flower. They're for lollipop holders, but of course I'm not using it for lollipop holders. I want to embellish stuff on top of it, but it does have a cutout in case you wanted to put a lollipop on there or some sucker. Look at that, and you look at the amount you get. So I got those ones too. And the last thing I hauled is this Peeps stickers, and I believe you get 500. I got these. Let me take a little sticker. Okay, now look at these. How cute are those? So it starts from, these are the ones that it has. Yeah. Super cute. Love it. Love, love. So I also have that. But yeah, that is pretty much my Shein haul that I want to share with you. I will put the links below if they are available. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe because I'm always posting deals and nice things that I find on the internet. Plus, I do tutorials and I do show you some crafting and project shares. So hit the notifications so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.